What is going on, guys? Today I am with a client named Michael. Michael, where are you located and what service do you offer?
I'm over in Northeast Pennsylvania. I offer Govee permanent outdoor lighting. This is my side gig, my main business side gig, but I also do commercial diving in New York City as my main job.
Nice. How long have you been doing it for, and how did you get clients before you started running ads?
So I started this 3 years ago, and I put the lights on my own home. I love the lights, and I think everyone should have the lights. And I just saw a market for it. There's no one else that really installed it near me. And to get the work out there, I just posted it in a whole bunch of Facebook groups. And yeah.
Nice. So what's the main difference between what you were doing before, just posting and running ads? Was it easier to actually get lead forms and just be able to get more like direct leads compared to just posting organically and somebody might be interested? What was the difference?
I mean, with just posting on Facebook groups, the leads were definitely coming in a little bit slower. It was harder for people to like find me too. But with the ads, I feel like the leads are coming in like every single day. Like it just blows up with you guys running the ads and all.
Well, I would say, considering you've been doing it for 3 years, you said you do Govies. A lot of people look down on Govies as a product. Have you ever had any problems with Govies? Do you think it's more about like just knowing how to actually install it? Because a lot of people say, "Oh, I'll install Govies and I'll get callbacks. I'm never doing Govee again." Have you had an issue with that, or is that not a problem?
So yeah, there is a few issues here and there, but you definitely got to learn from your mistakes and just always protect those connections. Whatever you got to do, protect those connections, keep them under a soffit, tape them up. Just whatever you got to do is protect those connections, and that will help you out with 99% of the jobs you do.
So you're not going out every week to people calling you back about their house or anything.
No, no. I mean, we do have like rough winters and a lot of rain up here.
Yeah.
So yeah, we do get hit with some of those, but we try to make it better the next time. But not too many service calls for sure for how many installs I've done.
Sounds good. So in total, I mean, we've been running the ads on and off. We'll run the ads for about 2 weeks or so, or a week, even in some cases. You'll get booked out, and then we'll be set from there. And then you'll hit me up and say, "Hey, I want to start running the ads again." We'll run it. We'll get booked up again. What's the total amount of revenue, like just a guesstimated amount that you've lined up off of running the ads with Permail IDs?
I mean, I'm pretty sure like the first month I signed up with you, the first week just like kicked off so fast, and then first 2 weeks I was doing pretty good. I think that total month was around 16 grand in like revenue. And then I just signed up with you again for last week, and I think I'm already hitting like 8 grand in revenue with you. So it's going pretty good so far.
That is good. That is good. And that's pretty much just you as a solo operator. You don't have a full crew or you don't have VAs that are handling all the leads. You're able to handle it all, right?
Right. This is me doing it every Saturday, almost some Sundays. Try not to do every Sunday because I work the next day. But with Saturdays, I try to line up 2 jobs. If I have the room, I'll do 2 jobs. I'll even bring a helper with me. I'm out there working 12-hour days.
Dang. Okay. So in reality, do you think like down the line you'll probably get a crew, or are you just gonna keep it where it's kind of like a side operation where you're able to just do it on the weekends and make some extra money? Like what do you think your mindset's gonna be down the line? Are you gonna want to transition into like making it a business where you just hand it off to your installers, they go out and do all the work, or are you just wanting to keep it like a side thing?
Yeah, I mean, I do like to be the main installer just because of quality control, but I have been investing into helpers trying to find the right person to see if they're capable and able to go do it on their own.
Yeah. That is good. So obviously looking at your page, you got 35 all 5-star reviews. It looks like you do really, really good work. Obviously with the ads we ran, we were able to get your custom videos and edit it for you, put up the scripts and all that stuff. Obviously people are able to see the videos and just fill out a lead form. So we're going to keep killing it. What's the best part about working with us, and what do you rate the experience 1 out of 10 so far working with us?
Just the responsiveness. Like you reach out to Jade and like he will fix the problem or any problems and always get back to you as soon as he can.
Nice,
And
brother.
just yeah, just
I appreciate that. That's
yeah,
I try and have that be my best quality of being able to respond quick and
yeah,
take care of the issue fast. So what do you rate it 1 out of 10?
100.
I appreciate that, bro. I really do. I appreciate the interview in general, and we're gonna keep killing it, dude. Obviously, right now with your page, you're stacked up, so we're just gonna keep bringing in more and more leads and close more and more jobs. So we'll do an interview maybe in a few months, 6 months out, or a year from now, just showing a recap. But I appreciate your time, Michael, and we're gonna keep doing it. We're gonna keep killing it. So I'll see you later. Peace out.